This is the brand new TCL QLED TV from 2025, and with this we show you hidden codes. Let's go. Today we show you hidden codes, how you can get the latest from the TCL QLED TV. We have the model 2025 here, but it also works with older models. First of all, the manual is at your own risk. Do not change anything here, otherwise your TV may no longer start and no longer work properly. We do not apply any liability for this manual, but now let's start with the first manual or the first code. To do this, of course, you have to go to the settings on the start page. Here you have this gear, here you scroll down and then to the picture. Here we go in and to brightness. Now let's go down to this point, contrast. Do not choose this with OK, just follow it. So not the OK key, but really just select this. And now we enter the following code. On the remote control you now enter 9735 and then this menu appears here. Here you have the option to reset the whole thing if your TV has run into a shop. Here you also have the option with which source the TV should start, silent, on, standby or the last source. You can clone the whole thing. Then you have the TV menu here. There you also have the option to change a lot, but we leave that out. Here it is only about me showing you that there is also a hidden service menu here. The next code is there to perform a hard reset. Also here again in the settings and picture, then to brightness, down to contrast. Again do not select, just navigate. And here is a 1950. Here you are in the factory menu. Here you have the option to reset your TV completely. If you want to get all the information about your TV, i.e., what is installed here, which software, hardware, then back to the gear, back to picture, back to brightness and contrast. And this time you select the following code 9705. And now you have the hardware here, what is installed here, which software do I have on it. You also see the MAC address and much more. You want to know how long your TV has been running, how many operating hours it has. Then again gear, picture, here brightness, contrast and this time 6, 4, 2, 5. And if you scroll down, you have the running time here, 14 hours. Of course I can also reset this. The next code is used to record the home screen or record what you have just done. Again gear, picture, here to brightness, back to contrast and here 6, 4, 2, 8. Then you have the record menu, record screen. Here I could go to start, but I don't have a USB stick or hard drive. As soon as I right click here, it says no found USB. Do you have more hidden button options for us? Then let us know and write it in the comments. Warning again, nothing changes here, otherwise it may be that your TV no longer works properly. Do you have questions about this guide? Then write it in the comments. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.